Do you want to power clean your Epson ET-2750 printer but don't know how to do it? Well, in this video, you'll learn everything. Performing a power clean on your Epson printer is important if it is showing any issues. Here, I'll show you step-by-step process for power cleaning your printer using its control panel. And the process hardly takes 10 minutes. For more expert help, you can call us at the following numbers. Now, let's get started with the steps. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Power cleaning using the control buttons. First, turn off your printer. Just press the power button and then press OK to confirm. Once the printer is completely off, press and hold the power button and the question mark button together until the LCD screen lights up. Now, you'll see a message asking if you want to run power cleaning. Just press OK to continue. At this point, the power cleaning process starts. This can take up to 10 minutes, so just let the printer do its thing and be patient. When it's done, a screen will pop up saying the print quality will improve after 12 hours. And finally, just press OK and you're all set. Your printer power cleaning is complete. Let's move on to the next method to clean the printhead and check the nozzles. Also, if you find these solutions helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Method 2. Perform head cleaning and nozzle check. For the first step, head to your Epson printer control panel and press the home button. After that, press the right arrow button to navigate to the maintenance option. Then, you need to press the OK button. On the open screen, press the right arrow button to choose the head cleaning option and then press OK button. Next, this confirmation screen will appear. You need to press the start button to begin the process. After that, the cleaning process will begin and will take around 3 minutes to complete. Once the cleaning is complete, you will see this screen. Choose the nozzle check and press OK. Press the start button and allow the process to complete. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.